Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can remove the likes from your Facebook page. So first of all, make sure that you are in Facebook page profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile image onto the top right, and then you have to click on see all profiles, and from there you can switch between your Facebook pages and your original Facebook profile. So right now I am on my Facebook page profile. So to remove the likes from Facebook, we can actually click on this likes option here, and now it gives us the list of people who actually liked our page. Okay, so if we want to remove the likes, we actually have to block these peoples. So let's say if we want to remove one like, we will block this person. We have to click the three dots over here, and here it says block, and when we block this person, his like will automatically will be removed from my page. So that's how you can remove likes from your page. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.